Guys, welcome back to Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have x squared minus 6 squared minus 6 is equal to x. And what I'm first going to do is I'm actually going to set a equal to x squared minus 6. So I'm going to set the variable a equal to x squared minus 6. And if this is true, and if we substitute in a for x squared minus 6, our equation would be a squared minus 6 is equal to x. So now if this is true, and let's say this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now, I'm actually going to subtract both of these. I'm going to subtract x squared minus a squared. So x squared minus a squared. And what ends up happening is we get the result as a minus x. X squared minus a squared is equal to a minus x. So if we have something in the form m squared minus n squared, this can also be written as m plus n times m minus n. Meaning x squared minus a squared is equal to x plus a times x minus a. And now if I add x on both sides, we would get plus x, and then if I subtract a on both sides, we would get minus a, and now because there's nothing left on our right hand side, we would simply have 0. So now I'm going to factor out x minus a from this. So x minus a times x minus a, x plus a times x minus a divided by x minus a is simply just x plus a. And x minus a divided by x minus a is 1. So we have x plus a plus 1. And this is equal to 0. So now this would actually give us two equations. We would have x minus a is equal to 0. And for this, if we add a on both sides, we simply get x is equal to a. And if x is equal to x squared minus 6, because remember, a is equal to x squared minus 6 and x equals a. That means x equals x squared minus 6. And if we subtract by x on both sides, so we get 0 is equal to x squared minus x minus 6. Now we have a quadratic equation, and this would actually be simplified to 0 is equal to x minus 3 times x plus 2, meaning our two solutions for x would be x is equal to 3 and x is equal to -2. However, there is still another equation. We still have x plus a plus 1 equals 0. So if x plus a plus 1 is equal to 0, that means that x is equal to, I'm going to subtract everything and move it to the right-hand side, negative a minus 1. And I'm actually going to plug in a. A is x squared minus 6, so this means x is equal to negative 1 times x squared minus 6 is negative x squared plus 6 minus 1, and 6 minus 1 is 5. So we have negative x squared plus 5. So now if we subtract x on both sides, we get 0 is equal to x squared plus x minus 5. And if we plug this into our quadratic formula, we get negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 21 over 2. So these are our two other equations. We have negative 1 plus the square root of 21 over 2 and negative 1 minus the square root of 21 over 2. To Click Academics. In today's video, I'm going to be teaching you guys how to solve this exponential equation. So we have 9 to the power of 2x minus 1 equals 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. So when we're solving problems such as these, what we want to do is we want to make our bases here the same. So in this case, our bases are 9 and 3. So we actually want to convert them so that they're the same. Well, to do that, I'm actually going to make 9 equal to 3 squared. I'm going to substitute in 3 squared for 9, because if I do this, both our bases here are going to be 3. So I have 3 squared now to the power of 2x minus 1 is equal to, we're not doing anything to this side, so just simply 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. Now, if we have an exponent in the form a to the power of m to the power of n, this can also be written as a to the power of m times n. So 3 to the power of 2 to the power of 2x minus 1, well, this can also be written as 3 to the power of 2 times 2x minus 1. And this is still equal to 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. So now we have 2 times 2x minus 1, and I'm actually going to distribute this 2. So 2 times 2x is 4x, and 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. So now we get 3 to the power of 4x minus 2. And this is still equal to 3 to the power of 3x plus 3. And now, as you can see, we've made both of our bases the same. Meaning, if these two expressions are equal to each other, and if the two bases are equal to each other, that means that our exponents here are equal to each other as well. So all we have to do is simply set our exponents here equal to each other. So 4x minus 2 is equal to 3x plus 3. And now, as you can see, we have a simple algebraic equation. So to solve this, I'm going to move all the x's on one side. So I'm going to subtract 3x on both sides. And I'm going to add 2 on both sides. So on our left-hand side here, these two cancel out. 3 plus 2 is 5. So we have 5 on our, right-hand side. And now on our left-hand side, these two cancel out, and 4x minus 3x is simply just x. So we have x is equal to 5. And this is our answer.